This one, so I'm gonna reveal and you write as we go through. On a need-to-know basis, what information is required for us to be able to answer the information from a triangle? Well, the first one is that no one measure is allowed. If you have only one piece of information about the triangle, two technically because you always have to base it on right triangles, that's insufficient. You need to know two. At least one side and one angle need to be known in order for you to use trig ratios and those proportions to solve problems. So Felix made a statement, and we're going to give a counter example to explain why Felix is incorrect. Felix says you need to know any two measures of a right triangle to determine all the triangle's unknown measures. That's wrong. It's not all the way wrong, but it's definitely insufficient. For Felix's statement to be corrected, he needs to be more clear. If the two measurements that we know are angles, angle and angle, then no, we could create a small triangle that would have the same sine, cosine, or tangent ratio as a bigger triangle because it's all about the ratios of the sides. And small triangles ratios, where the angle is the same, will have the same proportions as big triangles. So Felix is wrong because he didn't specify a side and an angle. You have to know a side and an angle in order for us to use trig to find all of the other unknown measurements of the triangle. So for example, if C equals 8 degrees and angle A, I'm sorry, I'm saying this wrong. If the side length C equals 8, and the measurement of angle A is 32, then determine the other measures of triangle ABC. Well, I didn't see a triangle on this page. You didn't either because you're staring at a blank piece of paper as well. Draw the triangle on the paper, label the corners ABC. We are typically reserving angle C for the 90 degree. If one of the degrees is 32 degrees, then by the complement relationship theorem, the other angle has to be 90 minus 32. Or all of the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So you just subtract 90 because that's 90 degrees. And then you subtract 32 because this is 32. And so 58 is the other angle. Then you calculate sine and cosine and tangent, and we can figure out the missing side lengths. C happens to be the hypotenuse. So this is actually one of the nicer, tamer trig triangles where you only know two pieces of information, a side and an angle. You guys, thanks for watching this video. This has been page 596. That is it. I will see you in the entirely next lesson. Thanks for watching.